Hi friends, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travels and I'm sharing a recipe of prawn biryani. I'm using Shan fish biryani spices also, but the video is not at all sponsored by Shan Foods. If you are a seafood and biryani lover, this recipe is made for you. But before moving further, please like and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. For 350 grams of rice, we need 500 grams of prawns. Remove the vein. Some spices like 2 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon of carom seeds that is ajwain, half teaspoon of prawn spice mix, half teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoon lemon, 2 tablespoon oil and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add all the spices in a bowl. Oil, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now add prawns in this marination and coat the marination over the prawns properly. Cover the prawns and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and meanwhile prepare the gravy. For the gravy we need 1 cup tomato blanched, half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon butter, some whole spices, carom seeds, half tablespoon curry powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon Shan fish biryani masala, half tablespoon fenugreek leaves and 1 fresh red chili. First add butter in a pan. First add whole spices, let them crackle. Once crackled, add marinated prawns and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove it from heat and keep it aside. Now using the same pot, add tomatoes and all the spices with ginger garlic paste and yogurt and roast it well until well combined. Cook this for 5 to 10 minutes until the gravy becomes very thickened and oil separates. Then add prawns and mix it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Do not overcook prawns, otherwise it gets hard. Once the gravy is done, move towards the third step, that is layering. For layering we need green chilies, fried onions, mint, julienne cut ginger, saffron, butter and lemon juice. Yellow food color is optional. First layer the boiled or steamed rice. The recipe is already posted on my YouTube channel. You will find the link below. Set the gravy over the rice and sprinkle onion, ginger, mint and chilies, lemon juice and again layer the rice over the prawns. Then again pour the saffron water with saffron strands and also onion, ginger, chilies and mint. Also add little bit of color if you want. Add butter or ghee over the top. Sprinkle some lemon juice and cover the pot first with aluminium foil and then with lid and keep it on a steam for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat. The method of how to steam biryani rice has been already posted in the mutton biryani video. You can see the link below. The biryani is all set to eat. Let's dish out and enjoy delicious aromatic prawn biryani. I can say this could be a desi Pakistani style paila because it has almost every ingredients used in paila, not every but somehow. Enjoy this biryani and share your feedback on a comment section below. Also write if you want any new recipe, and before going please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I come with another recipe. Also follow me on Instagram Foodistan Travels, follow my Facebook page Foodistan Travels and share my recipes and try my recipes. Till then, bye bye.